Hey everybody, so I just wanted to say the spring products have arrived and I'm coming to you with the bare face so that I can do some demonstrations for you guys. So I'm going to start with All Out Brow Beauty. So we've got 3 new brow kits that I'm so excited about. They're very versatile and they come in different shades. So we have one for blonde hair brow kit, we have a brunette one, and we also have the one I'm going to be using today, which is the dark brunette. So each one comes with its own little individual spoolie included to brush those brows up, and also it has a double-ended brush with the angle, so that's really nice. So I like that. So I'm going to start with the 3 sections. So you have 1, 2, 3. So you have your brow pomade. Oops, sorry, I don't know if you can see that. So 1, 2, 3. You have one with the brow pomade here, and then you have your powder here, and you have your highlight on this side. So we're going to start with those, and I'm going to show you how to apply each one. And we're going to start first with sculpting. So we're going to do the brow pomade first. So I'm going to grab a little bit of that with my angled brush, and I'm going to just kind of dab a little bit of that. The thing I like about this is that it's not difficult at all. I'm just going to put some on the brush, and what I'm going to do is use this angled brush to apply it to my brow in short strokes. So I'm going to start here on the end and just short strokes here. You see I have like a light here, so, and it's a little harder because I'm just looking at myself and applying it, but you see how you can't really make too big of a mistake here because you're just doing your little short strokes to fill in. So, and I like it because it's not too much and it's not too extra creamy, but it's just right, kind of like the 3 little bears, right? Just right. So I'm just kind of short feathery strokes, just kind of coming in with that and filling in the brow that way. So it's really nice and easy. And what I do as a trick for me is I kind of lay it down at the angle at the tip at the beginning of my brow. I just lay it kind of flat, and it gives it kind of a little bit of filler there. Not too hard though, so you don't have to look like it's, you know, stamped on. So that is how I do my pomade in the beginning. And then I'm going to show you how to do the middle powder. I'm just going to kind of come and brush up just a little more, and I'll show you how to do the powder next. So now I'm going to take the other end of the applicator with the angled brush, and I'm going to go to the middle, which is the brow powder. So I'm going to take a little bit of that, cover it on the edges of both, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to just kind of fill in. And you see how that gives just more oomph to the brow? So that's kind of what I'm doing with that there, just kind of filling in on the ends and where I kind of missed. Just coming back and putting some powder in there. Same thing though, short feathery strokes. And you can apply it, you know, as dark or as light as you want. I don't really like it as dark on the top end as I like it darker on the ends. So, and I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna fix this little area right here, but that'll be something that I'll do in just a second. So, but you see already how much of a difference that's making with the brow. So you see this brow over here, it's like, oh my goodness, where is it, right? And then there's this one, which is just popping so nice, right? So I really, really like that. And then what you can also do is take your spoolie and just kind of go back in and just kind of brush and just kind of blend it. So that is really a nice thing to do as well, to just kind of soften that look up. And then you have your highlighter on the end. So there's a couple things you can do with your highlighter. You can either use your finger to apply that highlighter, which is, you know, it's nice to do that. You can do that and just kind of come underneath and bring it like that with your finger. But if you're like me, I'm kind of funny and I like using a brush. So I like taking a brush and doing everything. It just kind of makes it nicer for me. So I usually will grab like a, you know, just a fluffy, not necessarily, I'm sorry, I'm getting all close up in the camera like that. Oh, y'all didn't want to see me like that, but that's me, right? I'm a little bit extra. So forgive me for my extraness, but that's just what it is. You get the real Angie every time, right? No joke. Okay, so I take an all over crease brush. And I take a little bit of the powder and I just put it on my little all over crease brush, and then I get in there with it like this because I don't like using my fingers underneath. But you can. So it's pretty easy. And then I just kind of come up under there and just kind of highlight it that way, because that's just who I am. So that's kind of what that looks like on there. So with a little bit of highlight, but you can see the difference. And isn't it a nice difference? I really like that, right? Let me finish the other side and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is what it looks like with both of the brows done. And I am really, really loving this look. It just looks really nice and very clean. So I hope that you enjoy it as well. Thank you for watching me do this. And remember that brows are sisters, not twins.